We're going to start by getting into this position called 90-90. This is to mobilize both internal and external rotation of your hips. You're going to go back and forth nice and gently at your own pace, feeling the stretch as I am here, leaning into it slightly. Next, you're going to lie down onto your back. You're going to bring one knee into your chest and straighten the other leg and just hold in this stretch. Straighten your leg and hold for a hamstring stretch. Switch sides. Those hamstring muscles attach onto your pelvis, so we want to make sure that we keep those nice and loose. Going into the figure 4 stretch, you're going to place your ankle onto your knee and then reach through that hole and pull your thigh towards you to feel a stretch. This will be in the left outer glute, and then opposite to get the right glute. Going into some strengthening for your glute medius. These are called clamshells. You're going to brace your core and use those muscles on the outside of your hip to bring your knee up, keeping your ankles together. This is strengthening those glute muscles to support your hips and your pelvis. Keeping that core nice and tight. Switch onto the other side. So brace your core. Using your glute muscles, bring your knees up, keep your ankles together. We did 10 to 12 on each side. Now we're going to go into tabletop position, so on your hands and knees, and we're going to do some glute strengthening. So kicking, these are called donkey kicks. So you're going to keep your knee at a 90-degree angle, using your glutes to raise your leg up. Don't arch your lower back. Keep that nice and stable. Keep your core strong and feel the strengthening in your glutes. Switch sides. You want your back to stay as level as possible. You should be able to balance a glass of water on there and not have it tip over. Going into fire hydrants, this will strengthen the glute med. So using the outside of your hip, those muscles, to bring your knee out. switch sides. Awesome job. Now we're going to go into a stretch. Oh, yes, we're going to go into pigeon. So this is a really great stretch for your glutes. You want to try to keep your knee and your ankle in a straight line. That will give you the biggest stretch. Lean forward, and then if you're able to get a little deeper, you can go down onto your forearms. Come up, and we're going to switch sides. So we're keeping that ankle and the knee in as straight of a line as possible, and you're going to feel this right into that right glute muscle. Coming up now, we're going to stretch those hip flexors, which are in the front. So you're going to think about tucking your pelvis under. You're feeling this on the right hip here in the front. Lift up your right arm and lean slightly to the left for an added stretch. And we're going to switch sides. Tuck your pelvis under, reach up and over. Awesome, great job everyone.